Medical City today. And today po yung aking cast, the congenital anomaly scan. I'm with Talia and Daddy. And today we're gonna know the gender.
I hope it's a boy, guys.
Yeah, tune in. See you later. Bye.
So guys, we're waiting na here to call us. Mommy's inside, ultrasound na si Mommy. Okay, see you later. What do you feel?
Excited.
No, about the gender.
Ikaw, yung tong silip. What's your guess?
Boy.
Boy.
I think it's boy.
Let's see.
I think looks ng dugo. It's a girl.
Wala ka dyan.
I think it's a girl.
So here's the clock and
Yan. Nagpa-help tayo kay ate para ayusin yung shoes na makukuha. Ayun. Wala pa. Hey, Mami. Team boy kami, team boy. Let's go. Bye.
Bakit? Baliktad. Boy. Mga naka-blue. Teka lang.
Teka daw, at tanggalin natin to.
Yan. Ready na?
Go! Si Talia first.
Wala po sinig mo?
Tanggalin akong pabukas, tanggalin mo yung stapler at baka ano.
Tayo, open the bag.
Open it! Tell us if it's open na.
Open it, baby ko. Don't tell ha. Don't say it first.
Action nga yun. Mami, one, two, three, go! Sabi sa'yo.
Okay lang. Ay, saga.
Yeah! So, anong name?
Natawa yung doktor kanin.
Baby girl ka. Girl ulit.
Pares kayo.
Pati nga, it's not a
Talia!
totoy. Di ba, basta healthy, di ba?
Eterno, okay.
Ay!
Wala pa din.
Ano na naman siya?
One, two, smile. Ala, look here. 1, 2, 3.
Naman? Girl!
Walang nakapink ko.
Okay na.